There you go, everyone. Here is the bunny coop I made. It was a chicken coop. That's why it's framed up the way it is. But I turned it into a bunny coop. Locker goes into a rooster. Goes into a little building back here. Did like a little old barn wood, and I didn't put nails on this. Made a little rooster. Made a little swing out arm to hold it. This is where my skunks were when we had them. Yeah, I used a like roofing cement or shingle cement or something like that. These are all nailed down. You can see I still need to cut those off. But yep, this is how my little bunny slash chicken coop on wheels turned out. It is heavy as all hell. And there's my rooster.